where cutting-edge design meets everyday convenience, perfectly positioned on Roman Bank in Stamford. Let's take a look around the Black House. How about this for chic and sleek? The crisp, clean lines and the bespoke staircase draw you in. A few steps down lead you into this show-stopping room, straight out of the pages of an interior design magazine. I love this kitchen with vast style in the centre, with your hob built in and that breakfast bar area. Lots of handy storage and fitted appliances by AEG. You really feel connected with the open plan room. Fabulous open plan room has a sunken relaxed seating area, and then your eyes are drawn up and elevated to the living wall that brings that lovely sense of calm and connection and well-being through the glazed windows and onto the garden. And whilst we're at this end of the home, I couldn't wait to show you the Fresco Kitchen. A super addition to the home, this great space would make you the envy of all of your friends and family, and I think you'd be able to use it all year round. Imagine in the summer, on a hot day like today, we've got the pizza oven going, drinks on ice, great fun. In the winter, it's more about cosy blankets and toasting hot marshmallows. Behind me you'll find the great sized laundry room with door to the side, and also the guest cloakroom. And at the front of the home there's a playroom that could also make a great place to work from home. The parquet flooring continues from the hallway into this atmospheric sitting room. With wood panelled walls, I love the two feature windows, one at either end. Bespoke made steel staircase leads you up to the first floor, so let's take a look around the bedrooms and bathrooms. The oak detailing continues up here, and turning right we'll find the first double bedroom. With oak flooring, this spacious bedroom overlooks the front. Across the landing, we'll find the next bedroom. Also at the front of the home and bathed in natural daylight, this bedroom has lots of handy storage with wardrobes to either side, and one surprise your children are going to absolutely love. The ladders lead up to a den and playroom that connects to the other children's bedroom on the other side. Let's have a look. Isn't this so much fun? A door from the den area leads to the mezzanine and a ladder comes down. So much fun in here with that fantastic window above. This room also benefits from fitted wardrobes. Giving chic boutique hotel vibes, the family bathroom has a freestanding ribbed stone bath, wet room shower and concrete basin and loo. Now, I can't wait to show you in here. Come on in. We're in the principal suite and I think it's totally dreamy in here. With its vaulted ceiling and cool lines and angles, your eye is again drawn to that stunning feature window. This room also benefits from fitted wardrobes, and there's a dressing room with more storage and a very luxe ensuite. Also on this floor, you'll find another room that's currently used as an office. Bathed in light from the roof lights overhead and the frameless aluminium doors, I love the kitchen. Let's take a look at the garden. The lawn garden has mature trees and shrubs to either side, and at the end you'll find a terraced area. There's a lovely sun trap, and that's where you'll find me. I hope you've enjoyed my tour around the Black House on Roman Bank, a home that offers comfort, style and location. To arrange your appointment to view, please contact the Pelham James team. We can't wait to show you around in person.